So guys, we are going to start now for loop. For loop is like used for the iterative values, or you can say that a for loop is used for iterative over a sequence. Sequence can be anything. It can be a list, tuple, dictionary, or set, or string, or whatever it is. So we are going to understand how the for loop works and what are the different functionalities, uh, and how we can use for loop in our day-to-day activity. So let us have a list first. So lst1 equals to, I will take very basic one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So this is my list. Now what I am telling my for loop is for I in LST1. So what will happen? It will take it will take values one by one. Okay. Very first time, I will take 0. Then in the second iteration, it will take 1. Then second iteration, third iteration, it will take 2. Fourth iteration, it will take 3. Fifth iteration, it will take 4. And it will keep on iterate like this till 16. Okay, right now till 16. Okay, so now let us see this particular thing. So I'm saying print, I'm saying print I, I'm saying print I, and then I'm running this program. So what is happening right now? It is giving me value one by one. It is giving me value one by one. So first time it is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, until 16, it is giving me value. Same thing will happen with tuple. Same thing will happen with tuple. So tup1 equals to, tuple is identified with your parenthesis or circular brackets. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is my tuple for I in range, sorry, for I in top 1. And what will happen now? I will say print I. So for each iteration, it will take one value. Okay. First time my for loop will run, it will take 11. Second time my for loop will run, it will take 12. Third time my for loop will run, it will take 13. Fourth time it will run, it will take 15. And it will keep on going like this till 17. It will keep on going like this till 17. Let us have one set 1, and let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And for I in set 1, set 1, print I, print I. Let us have string. So str1 equals to, I have Python programming. And for I in str1 colon print str, sorry, only I. So it will return Python programming. Of course, the story is same. It will start with P, then Y, then T, then H, then N, and then space will be there. So yes, space is printing, then programming. So same what we were doing in case of that. Let us have a dictionary. Dict1 equals to curly braces. Then we have A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, and D for dog. Okay, we will add one more. E for elephant. Print for I in dict1. Print and so it is printing all the keys. It is printing all the keys. You can keep on performing variety of operations with the help of any sequential value, which can be iterate like this, and you can patch the value. The best example is you can take range function. So range function gives you value in form of range. So if I say print range 0, 10, 1, so okay, sorry, it will not print like this. So I need for loop for that. For I in range 0, 10, 1. So now range function will work for 0 to 9. Range function will work for 0 to 9. And the reason behind it is there is a rule called as n minus 1 is applicable right there. So it will ignore 10. It will ignore 10. Now, right here you can see that we are taking 0 to 9 or 0 to 10 we are taking, and n minus 1 is ignoring the 10th one. But right here, if I want to, suppose I want to jump a value, so I will say I in range 0, let it be 21, and jump value is 2. Okay, jump value is 2. Okay, and then print I, and then print I. So it will print 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, same thing for I in range 0, 23, and jump value is 3. So what will happen? Now it will jump by 2 because we have 3 right here. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it will print I. So resultant is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So in this way, you can keep on printing variety of things. Now, if I want something like this, suppose I want value from two for loops inside loop, that is nested one. So for j in range 0, 10, 0. So what will happen for each value of I, my j will run. For each value of I, my j will run 10 times and then it will give me result. Okay. Second value of I, again j will run 10 times. Then for the third value of I, j will run 10 times. So in this way, it will keep on printing it. Now I will use another kind of print function. Okay, I will use another kind of print function. So print function will be I, and I will say I hyphen, let it be hyphen, I hyphen j, I hyphen j, and it will print one value of I and 10 values of j. Okay, it will print like that, and then I will say end is equal to space. End is equal to space. There is a space right there. Okay, and next one is uh, I just want to change the line after 10 iteration. I want to just change the line by 10 iteration. So what is the wrong range has argument 3 but 0. Range has argument 3. Range has argument 3 for I in range 0, 3. So right here you can see that we are printing the values. So the first number, this 0, it is your I. And the second number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is your j. Then in the second row, 1 is representing I and 0 to 9 is represented j. So my 0 to 9, it is your I. So I will iterate total 9 times, sorry, total 10 times from 0 to 9. And for each value of I, my j will iterate 0 to 9 times. And it will give you this particular matrix. Now you can have the same program in the form of multiplication, or you can have the same program in the form of addition. Okay, and then you will get the exact value what you are looking for. So suppose I want to add these values. So it will look like this. So addition of 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 6, 0 plus 7, 0 plus 8, 0 plus 9. Then 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 8, 1 plus 9. Then 0 plus, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 8, 2 plus 9, 2 plus 10. Then next 2 plus 9, not 2 plus 10. Then you have 3 plus 0 till 3 plus 9. Then in the same way, 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 9. So this is the way you are getting matrix of numbers. But important thing to understand right here is my for loop is running for each value of I, my j is running that much number of times. For each value of I, my j is running that much number of times. So that is most important thing to understand. Now we are going to print a program for numbers from 1 to 20, and we will identify even number from that. So for I in range, and we will start with 1 comma 20, 21, and space gap of 2, and then we will print it. So it will give me all the even numbers. So in the same way, you can have a program for all the odd numbers. You can, sorry, it will start from 2. It will start from 2 and it will give you all the even numbers. And in the same way, you can have a program for all the odd numbers. Now the next program is calculate the sum of numbers from 0 to 100. So we will quickly sum up all the numbers. So sum1 is my number. I am putting it 0. So I will start with for I in range 1 comma 101 and difference is 1. And what I am doing right here is for, so sum is equal to sum plus equal to I. Okay. And then at the end, I will print my sum1. Okay. I will print my sum1. So this is my output of that. So what we are doing right here is, it is very simple. We have already learned this particular expression. So initial value of sum is 0. Initial value of I is 0. Sorry, I is 1. So 1, then it becomes 2, then it becomes 3, it becomes 4. And every time sum is equal to sum plus 1, going to perform right here. I will just write it like this. Sum 1 equals to sum 1 plus 1. This is the expression. So it will give you the final result for your addition of 0 to 100. Which we missed right here is in case of dictionary, we can print anything. Okay, so I am taking the same example, and in place of dict, I am going to say items. I'm going to say items, and then I want to print it. So it will print items. Then next one is I'm going to say values. So it will print all the values. Suppose I just want keys, although default is keys only, but still I just want to show you that you can have anything in that. So you can get the values in that. So in this way, you can achieve your objective from your set of dictionary. Okay, from your set of dictionary, you can achieve your objective, whatever value you want to patch. I want to print a triangle. So you let's try with a simple set of code for I in range 0 comma, let it be 5, and what we can do is print asterisk. So we will print asterisk of whatever we are looking for. So it will be asterisk. So it will give me a simple triangle. It will give me a simple triangle. Now suppose I want to revert this particular triangle. Okay, I want to print reverse of this particular triangle. Let me write the name of program. Let me write. I want to print reverse pattern of the same triangle. So what I am going to do is for I in range, I want to say I in range. I will start with 5. I will go up to 0 and I will give -1. Okay. I will give -1. And then again, I will do the same thing. I will print I will print asterisk, and now the same multiplication we are going to perform right here. Okay, the same multiplication we are going to perform right here, but the only difference is we will not increment that particular thing. So it will give me following output. It will give me following output. Suppose I want to print a square. Okay, suppose I want to print a square. So what I will do right here is I will simply say print, sorry, for I in range 0 comma, let it be suppose 10, and what you are doing right here is you are saying print it will be asterisk, and whatever length. Okay, so square of your this one. So in this particular way, you can do this activity. Okay, these are very simple way of doing the pattern. Now, little bit different way of doing the same thing: printing of triangles, printing of invert triangles and square, rectangles, and other things with the help of multiple for loop, and we will understand how to do that particular activity. So same print function, same square is printed with the help of two for loops. So first one is here you have 0, 10,